If you're wondering where to travel, well, you've come to the right video. Today we're going to be discussing the top 5 travel destinations in the world. So, let's get into it. Number 5, we have Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was built between the 5th century BC and the 16th century. The Great Wall of China is a stone and mid-earth fortification created to protect the borders of the Chinese Empire from invading Mongols. The Great Wall was actually a succession of multiple walls expanding approximately 4,000 miles, making it the world's longest man-made structure. Number 4 on our list, we have Machu Picchu, located in Peru. Machu Picchu is an Incan city of sparkling granite, precariously perched between two towering Andean peaks. It is thought by scholars to have been a sacred archaeological center for the nearby Incan capital of Cusco. Built at the peak of the Incan Empire in the mid-1400s, this mountain citadel was later abandoned by the Incas. The site remained unknown except to locals until 1911, when it was rediscovered by archaeologist Hiram Bingham. The site can only be reached by foot, train, or helicopter. Most visitors visit by train from nearby Cusco. For number 3 on our list, we have the Taj Mahal, located in Agra, India. A mausoleum commissioned for the wife of the Mughal Empire, Shah Jahan. The Taj Mahal was built between 1632 and 1648, considered the most perfect specimen of Islamic art in India. The white marble structure actually represents a number of architectural styles, including Persian, Turkish, and Indian. The Taj Mahal also encompasses formal gardens of raised pathways, sunken flower beds, and a linear reflecting pool. For number 2 on our list, we have Chichen Itza, located in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico. The genius and adaptability of Mayan culture can be seen in the splendid ruins of Chichen Itza. This powerful city, a trading center for clothes, slaves, honey, and salt, flourished from approximately 800 to 1200 and acted as the political and economic hub of the Mayan civilization. The most familiar ruin at the site is El Caracol, a sophisticated astronomical observatory. From number 1 on our list, we have Banff, Alberta. Outdoor enthusiasts should add Banff, Alberta to their bucket list. Surrounded by Rocky Mountains and Banff National Park, this Canadian vacation spot offers active pursuits galore, ranging from hiking, whitewater rafting, and caving to skiing, dog sledding, and snowshoeing. The area also hosts cultural and musical performances throughout the year. Plus, the après-ski scene here is very top-notch. Skiers and snowboarders can wind down with drinks by the fire and meet new friends after a day on the slopes. Well, that was our list. Do you agree or disagree? Leave your opinions down below. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like.